Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you started a 5k plan but decided you want to have margin instead. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to change the training plan in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So the hard truth, you cannot just edit an active Garmin coach plan halfway through. Since no slider to suddenly extend the distance or swap from running to basically triathlon or whatsoever. If your goal changes, you must end the current plan and start a new one. So you're gonna ask me how would I switch? It's basically easy, just go through the Garmin Connect app, then go all the way here. Make sure you're fully connected to the internet since you're gonna need to actually log in using your email address and password. Tap on more, then go all the way to training and planning. Go to workouts, find the workout or create your own workout, it depends on you. Then you can basically start a new one if you want to. You can basically start, for example, I'm on workouts, I'm gonna go and create my own workout. I'm gonna go for basic, maybe, no, for example, let me go for a run. Okay. So they're gonna give you the warm up, the run, and the cool down. You can add steps, you can add repeat, then tap on save. You can even add notes if you want to. So after basically opening this whole menu, make sure you stop the last workout or pause it at least. You shouldn't delete it completely, but you can stop it. It's totally fine. Since ending a plan does not delete your workout history, since all your past runs are fully saved, don't worry about them. You just lose the future scheduled workouts. Your watch calendar will now be empty until you start this new plan. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.